नमस्ते बिटिया, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। Myself JVN Dr. Ritu Sharma, Assistant Professor, Department of Gynae of Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Today's session is hormone replacement therapy. Now start the hormone replacement therapy. The STR is indicated in menopausal women to overcome the short-term and long-term consequence of estrogen deficiency. जब मेनोपॉज एज आती है तभी एस्ट्रोजन की डिफिशियंसी हो जाती है, तो उस कंडीशन के अंदर हार्मोन रिप्लेसमेंट थेरेपी की जरूरत पड़ती है. इंडिकेशन ऑफ हार्मोन रिप्लेसमेंट थेरेपी: फर्स्ट इज रिलीफ ऑफ मेनोपॉजल सिम्टम्स, सेकंड इज प्रिवेंशन ऑफ ऑस्टियोपोरोसिस, थर्ड इज to maintain the quality of life in menopausal years. Special group of women to whom STR should be prescribed: premature ovarian failure, gonadal dysgenesis, surgical or radiation menopause. STR and osteoporosis. Hormone replacement therapy prevents bone loss and stimulate new bone formation. STR increases BMD by 2 to 5% and reduce the risk of vertebral and hip fracture 25 to 50%. Estrogen is found to play a direct role as receptors have been found in the osteoblast. Women receiving STR should supplement their diet with an extra 500 mg of calcium daily. Total daily requirement of calcium in postmenopausal woman is 1.5 gram. STR is thought to be cardiovascular protective. LDL on oxidation produce vascular endothelial injury and form cells, macrophages formation. These endothelial changes ultimately lead to antimal smooth muscles proliferation and atherosclerosis. Estrogen prevents oxidation of LDL as it has got antioxidant properties. Benefits of hormone replacement: improvement of vasomotor symptoms 70 to 80%, improvement urogenital atrophy, increase in bone mineral density 2 to 5%, decrease risk in vertebral and hip fracture 25 to 50%, reduction in colorectal cancer 20%, and possibly cardio protection. Also benefits of STR: risk factor for osteoporosis, family history, age, elderly, race, Asian, white race, lack of estrogen, body weight, low BMI, early menopause, surgical radiation, dietary calcium reduction, vitamin D की कमी, and cough, anion, smoking, increase and sedentary habit, drugs, heparin, corticosteroids, GnRH, analogous disease, thyroid disorder, hyperparathyroidism, malabsorption, multiple myeloma. Risk factor for cardiovascular disease: hypertension, smoking habit, familial hyperlipidemia, impaired glucose tolerance. Risk of hormone replacement therapy: endometrial cancer. When estrogen is given alone to a woman with intact uterus, it causes endometrial proliferation, hyperplasia, and carcinoma. It is therefore advised that a progesterone should be added to ERT to counterbalance such risks. Second is breast cancer. Combined estrogen and progestin replacement therapy increase the risk of breast cancer slightly. Adverse effects of hormone therapy are related to the dose and duration of therapy. Venous thrombosis disease has been found to be increased with the use of combined oral estrogen and progestin. Transdermal estrogen use dose does not have the same risk compared to oral estrogen. Coronary heart disease, combined STR therapy show a relative hazard of CSD. Hypertension has not been observed to be a risk of HRT. And lipid metabolism, an increased incidence of gallbladder disease has been observed following ERT due to rise in cholesterol. And now last is dementia, Alzheimer disease are increased. Contraindication to SRT, undiagnosed genital tract bleeding, estrogen dependent neoplasm in the body, history of venous embolism, active liver disease, gallbladder disease. Monitoring prior to A and D during HRT. A basal level parameter of following and their subsequent checkup are annually are mandatory. Physical examination include pelvic examination, blood pressure recording, breast examination, and mammography. Cervical cytology, pelvic ultrasound to measure endometrial thickness, and any irregular bleeding should be investigated thoroughly. And endometrial biopsy, hysterectomy, hysteroscopy. Ideal serum level of estradiol should be 100 pg per ml during HRT therapy. Serum level of estradiol is useful to monitor the HRT therapy rather than that of serum FSH. Duration of HRT. Generally use of HRT for a short period of 3 to 5 years have been advised. Reduction of doses should be done as soon as possible. Menopausal women should maintain optimal nutrition, ideal body weight, and perform regular exercise. This version is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.